In this demonstration, we'll take a look at how to configure OSPF on a Juniper device. OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First, and it's an industry standard routing protocol that is a linked state routing protocol. Now, linked state means that it knows more than just a hop count like the RIP routing protocol does. OSPF also knows about the bandwidth availability and the availability of the link itself, so it's more than just the hops. Also, OSPF uses a number of different tables to add to the routing process. It uses a topology table and a link state database to send updates out to other devices on the network. It sends information about links to other routers via what they call LSA messages or link state advertisement messages. When a router receives the LSA messages, it adds that link information to the link state database. And then OSPF calculates the best route to the destination network from that link state database. So let's see how to configure OSPF on a Juniper device. The basic configuration is fairly straightforward. The first thing I got to do is go into configuration mode. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the set protocols command, and OSPF configuration is a kind of a sub-level underneath protocols. So I do set protocols and OSPF. Now, routers within OSPF will share routing table information with other routers within what they call their OSPF area. So the first thing that I want to do is specify the area that this router pertains to or is inside of. So I do area, and I'm going to use area 0.0.0.0, which means that it's kind of connected to our backbone network. And then you specify which interface you want to enable OSPF on. So I can do FE 0/0/0 if I wanted to, or if you wanted to, you could also do, so I'm going to do the same thing again. So let's say I want my second interface. So area 0.0.0.0, interface FE-0/0/1. Now, instead of actually indicating each of the interfaces by the interface IDs, if you wanted to, you could also use interface space all to enable OSPF on all interfaces. So now that I've got OSPF configured on each of those interfaces, I'm now ready to go and configure my other routers. So in this demonstration, you saw how to enable OSPF on a Juniper device.